Hi guys and welcome to How to Maximize. For today's video, I will show you how to add Favicon on Shopify store. To start, open your internet browser. On your internet browser, open this website, eStoreKings.myshopify.com. Once done, hit enter, then you should now be here in this website. Now go back to your Shopify page. On the left corner, select Online Store, then select Themes. Scroll down on Themes, go to your default theme, then select the button that says Customize. Now wait for the website to finish loading once again. On the left corner, select the paintbrush. Then you should now be headed over to Theme Settings. Scroll down this time. In here, select the Favicon tab. And then you are going to go ahead and click on the select image. From there, you will navigate through your folders and click on image that you will want to use. After that, we are going to go ahead and upload. Now once your image is uploaded, go ahead and click on the select button. From there, we are going to click on save button. Now refresh the website. Now you will see the Favicon is in place. And that's it. Thank you very much for watching. Please leave a like, share, and subscribe to the channel.